Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And before we continue, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block your DStv channels. You saw what you have to do is to grab your remote. Next you have to click TV guide. Everything is there on your remote. I'm not going to show my remote because I want to be keeping a clear video. Next you have to click your DStv guide. After clicking your DStv guide, what you have to do is to click back. That is once. You click back for the second time, you click back for the third time, and next you have to move on your right once, then second time, then you have to go down where you see parent control. Go to parent control, you click OK. You go to PG settings, you click OK. Then they ask you to put your pin. If this is your first time, what you have to do is put your pin you would like. For example, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then it will open like this. It will be in this format. Global blocking, total block for the first time. So what you have to do is to go to this global blocking. Then you select personalize. After selecting personalize, you go down. Then you select channel blocking, you turn it on. After turning it on, you go down to select blocked channels, you click OK. Then I have selected this particular channels. Let me first unblock all channels. You come here, you select a channel. I'm going to select some few channels here. You can choose a channel. I'm going to choose this channel 100, which is dish, so it will go there as you have seen. And next what you have to do is to return back. You see it has to be set like this. Global blocking, personalized, parent control, and you can put it in PG, PG rated. Then channel blocking should be on. This is how everything will be. So you can go back. Then let me choose this channel I've selected, which was 100. As you can see, it is asking for the pin. It is PG blocked. And to unblock the channel, you click OK. You click unblock. Then you put in your pin. I'm not going to put in the pin because there might be some copyright videos there, so I can't put in the pin. I'm going to show you again how to put in for the last time. So you click DStv guide. After clicking DStv guide, you click back for the first time. Then you click back for the second time, and you click back again for the third time. Then you have to move to your right where you see settings. From your settings you have to scroll down to parent control. Next you click OK to PG settings. Then you have to input in your pin. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and depending on what you desire. And next you go to channel blocking. This is how everything will be like. Channel global blocking, you personalize, parent control, PG, channel blocking, you should be in on. And next you select your blocked channels, and depending on what you desire. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my videos. Thank you so much.